Robot vacuums used to be expensive toys. But in 2026, you can find dozens of models under $300. Some promise smart mapping, strong suction, and app control. Others barely work better than a broom. So the real question is, are robot vacuums under $300 actually worth it? Let's find out. The sub-$300 category is the most popular one right now. It's where most people shop when buying their first robot vacuum. These models usually focus on basic automation, simple navigation, and decent cleaning power. But they all make compromises to hit that lower price point. In this price range, you can expect strong suction for daily dust and pet hair, basic app control and scheduling, and either random navigation or entry-level mapping. Some models even include mopping features. But you won't get advanced obstacle avoidance, self-emptying docks, or premium build quality. Most budget robot vacuums struggle with thick carpets, cords and small objects on the floor, and precise room mapping. They can also be louder and less reliable long-term compared to premium models. Battery life is usually just enough for small to medium apartments. Robot vacuums under $300 are perfect if you live in a small apartment, have mostly hard floors, or just want basic daily cleaning. They're also great as a first robot vacuum to see if you even like this type of device. But if you have pets, thick carpets, or a big house, you'll feel their limits very fast. Should you buy one in 2026? In 2026, budget robot vacuums are better than ever. They're no longer useless gadgets. They can save time and keep your place clean between deep cleans. But they're not miracle machines. You need realistic expectations. Under $300, you're buying convenience, not perfection. So, are robot vacuums under $300 worth it? Yes, for the right person. If you want simple automation and decent cleaning on a budget, they're a smart buy in 2026. But if you want zero effort and perfect results, you'll need to spend more. If you want to check current prices and detailed reviews, I've linked all of them in the description below. Buy smart and save your money.